Hello everybody, so my name's Santina Samaria and I don't really know what this channel is going to be about yet, but I wanted to get started because I'm in quarantine from the coronavirus, unfortunately. But I think this is a good time to finally get on my camera, start recording content. I just feel like I need to put myself out there. I don't really know what this channel is going to be yet. But today, I just wanted to do a quick look for what I usually do for work. Hopefully, maybe I'll make tips, but I need to do my makeup for that. So let's get started. I need to moisturize. I'm just gonna go in with my Botanics moisturizer, and usually I have a bunch of other things to put on, but today, it's not that important because I'm taking it off in like 4 hours. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline Superstay foundation. I've been using it for like a year or two now. That's what it looks like. You probably know. Just gonna put it on my beauty blender. And I self-tanned, so like this is kind of like a tan color. Like my face doesn't look that tan, especially with this lighting, but my whole body is because I was supposed to go to Florida. That was canceled. So I just thought to make myself feel better, I'll put some self-tanner on. Now that this is on, I'm gonna do some concealer and contour. Okay, so for my concealer, I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape concealer in light medium honey. And obviously I'm just gonna put that under my eyes. See, the thing is, you guys already know how to do makeup, some of you. And I just don't know if I want this to be solely based on makeup. I am a fashion major at Kent State University, so I might try to do more about fashion. I'm thinking maybe I make some mood boards for each month and pick out some like clothes that like go along with the mood board for the month. I'm just putting ideas out there. I don't know yet. I think I'm leaning towards that. In my one class we make mood boards and I really like it, and I just think it's also inspirational. I'm gonna do some contour. This is literally a foundation stick that's just darker than my skin tone. And I'm using it to just kind of outline like the indents of my face and just sharpen some points in my face. I really like want to pretend that I have cheekbones. That's where I'm getting at. And it looks like kind of like I'm a clown right now, but it eventually does blend in. And this lighting kind of makes it look like it's not blended, but it'll come together once the powder and stuff goes on. Okay, so actually before I go into the powder, I'm going to do my eyebrow. Like that is just not right, and so we need to conceal that. Okay, so I'm back with my eyebrows done, and I'm going to put on some Huda Beauty translucent powder. And the reason why I wait until after my eyebrows is because I like to put some like right there so they blend, and then they're not looking so bulky and like sharp, and it lightens them up in the front, so it kind of gives it an ombre effect. Okay, I'm actually going to blend this out on camera because I blend it out with my powder. So it kind of like brings all of the colors together, and it's not like just translucent powder on your face. And then it'll be a nice canvas to start putting bronze on. So now I'm ready for bronzer because it kind of like whiten me out a little. So I literally used this brush from e.l.f. and it was like $2 and it's my favorite brush to contour with. And I just do my cheekbones, so. And then go like up and around. Blend that all together between your hairline, everywhere. And then I finish off with just like a little bit on my nose. I drag it like up into here. Just to like, so it all comes together and it's not just stopping at one line. Okay, so that's the contour, and now we'll use some blush. Oh, this was just Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in Rich Amber. It's like kind of the lighter ones, but it's not the lightest. And then this is Too Faced blush in Baby Love, and I'm just gonna place that right on my cheeks. But I think since the sun is out today, I want to do orange. So I'm gonna use the Norvina palette, and I'm just gonna stick with like this orange, and then I'm gonna use this for the center, and I might add like a little darker color to it just to blend it all together so it's not just so vivid. I'm gonna start out with E2 in my crease. Very pigmented, as we can see. So I might not actually use the darker one. I might just use this because it's very bright and like you don't really need to catch your eye by using a darker shade when this is already like neon. Okay, so there's both of the eyes. Just one color I used. And I'm just gonna finish it off since it's 4:05. I'm late for work with E1. Alright, so that's for the eyes, and then I'm gonna add some mascara. It's from Essence Lash Booster Primer. And I'm gonna use the Carbon Black L'Oreal mascara. Okay, to finish off this look, we're gonna need some lips. So I'm using NYX lip liner in Nude Beige. And now that those are lined, I'm gonna go in and use my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Venus, and it's my favorite color, except I'm running out. And it has kind of an orange tint to it, that's why I used it. And I love matte lips. Okay. And for just the last touch, I'm going to use some Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. Yeah. And just put a little on. I'm going to be going soon. This was my going to work tonight look. If you want to just give me some ideas, let me know in the comments. But it was nice to meet everybody. Thank you so much for watching.